New Orleans homes are known for their character, charm, and resilience. From historic Creole cottages to modern builds, every home in the city faces a unique combination of heat, humidity, heavy rain, and the occasional hurricane threat. If you're considering replacement doors, choosing the right material isn't just about style, it's about protecting your home, improving energy efficiency, and ensuring long-term durability. Here's a customer-focused guide to the best materials for replacement doors in New Orleans homes. Fiberglass doors. Durable and weather-resistant fiberglass is one of the most popular materials for replacement doors in New Orleans, and for good reason. It's built to withstand high humidity, intense sun exposure, and heavy storms without warping, cracking, or rotting. For homeowners near the coast or in flood-prone areas, fiberglass offers strong resistance to moisture. Unlike wood, it doesn't absorb water, and unlike some metals, it won't rust. Many fiberglass doors are also designed to mimic the look of real wood, giving you the beauty of traditional craftsmanship without the maintenance. Fiberglass doors are also excellent for energy efficiency. They typically come with insulated cores that help keep cool air inside during hot Louisiana summers, reducing strain on your HVAC system and lowering energy bills. Steel doors. Strong and secure. If security is your top priority, steel doors are worth considering. They offer exceptional strength and can provide an added sense of safety for your home. In New Orleans, where storms can bring flying debris and strong winds, steel doors can offer enhanced durability when properly installed. Many steel replacement doors are reinforced and can meet impact resistance standards, which is important during hurricane season. Steel doors are also energy efficient when paired with proper insulation and weather stripping. However, homeowners should ensure that the door has a rust-resistant coating. Given the city's high humidity and occasional flooding, corrosion protection is essential for long-term performance. Solid wood doors. Classic beauty with proper care. There's no denying the timeless appeal of solid wood doors. They're especially popular in historic New Orleans neighborhoods where architectural authenticity matters. Wood doors provide unmatched warmth and elegance. They can be customized with intricate carvings, glass inserts, and decorative panels that reflect the city's rich cultural heritage. However, wood does require regular maintenance in a humid climate. Without proper sealing and refinishing, wood can swell, warp, or crack due to moisture exposure. For homeowners willing to commit to upkeep, solid wood remains a stunning and durable option, especially when treated and installed professionally. Aluminum and glass doors. Modern and low maintenance for homeowners who prefer a contemporary look or want to maximize natural light, aluminum and glass doors are strong contenders. These are especially popular for patio doors and rear entrances. Aluminum frames are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and well-suited to New Orleans' damp climate. When combined with impact-rated glass, these doors can provide storm protection while maintaining an open, airy feel. Modern glass doors often feature energy-efficient glazing, including double or triple pane options with low emissivity coatings. This helps reduce heat transfer, keeping interiors cooler even during the peak of summer. Vinyl doors. Affordable and energy-efficient vinyl replacement doors are an increasingly popular choice for budget-conscious homeowners who don't want to sacrifice performance. They're resistant to moisture, won't peel or chip easily, and require minimal maintenance. Vinyl doors also provide solid insulation, which is essential in a city where air conditioning is a necessity for much of the year. While vinyl may not offer the same high-end appearance as wood or fiberglass, it delivers dependable performance at a more accessible price point. Choosing the right material for your home. When selecting replacement doors for your New Orleans home, consider these key factors: weather resistance against humidity, storms, and salt air energy efficiency to manage cooling costs, security features for peace of mind, maintenance requirements that match your lifestyle, architectural style to preserve or enhance curb appeal. The best material ultimately depends on your priorities. Fiberglass offers a balanced mix of durability and style. Steel excels in security. Wood delivers classic beauty. Aluminum and glass bring modern flair. Vinyl provides affordability and efficiency. By choosing the right replacement door material, you're not just upgrading an entryway, you're investing in comfort, protection, and long-term value for your New Orleans home.